Students, how are you all?
Sir, I am fine. Alhamdulillah. Sir, Alhamdulillah, I am fine.
MashaAllah. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, yesterday I gave you homework Mental Math 2, page number 28 in Math New Enjoying book. Have you all done? Yes. Have you all done Mental Math 2, page number 28?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have done it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sir, I have done it.
Page number 28, I gave you an homework. Okay. So in this worksheet you have to, what do you have to do? You have to use addition fact to find out the subtraction facts. This I taught you earlier in number line book also. Okay, so if we use by using three numbers we can make two addition facts and two subtraction facts. Okay, but here in this addition fact is given, we have addition fact and we have to write two subtraction facts. Okay, so now I'm going to share whiteboard. So let's take an example. Listen very carefully, everyone. Beta, new enjoying book, math new enjoying book you have to take out, and page number 28 I gave you homework. Okay, so first of all we will discuss this one. Okay, so mental maths 2, page number 28 of new enjoying. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to use addition fact to find out the subtraction facts. Okay, let's take an example. Here we have 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, this is addition fact. Okay, 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So we have to find out two subtraction facts. Okay, I told you that we can write two addition and two subtraction fact for any three given numbers. So here we have numbers 5, 4 and 9. So we have to write subtraction facts. Okay, to write subtraction fact we write the bigger number first. Okay, so bigger number is 9 here, so we write bigger number and minus sign, so we take the smaller number. Okay, so 9 minus 5, if we subtract 5 from 9, so what I told you, when we subtract a small number from the given number we will get the second smaller number, means this one we will get. We will subtract 5 from 9, we will get 4 answer. Okay, okay, now another fact, 9 minus, now I will subtract 4. Okay, so 9 minus 4, if we subtract 4 from 9 I will get 5. Okay, so by using three numbers we can find two subtraction facts. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4, if we subtract 4 from 9 then we'll get 5. Okay, so you have to remember this, in subtraction fact we have to take the bigger number first. Okay, so bigger number is 9 here, so bigger number we have to take first. Okay, then we have to subtract smaller number. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5. Let's take another example. Here we have 6 and here we have 7. Okay, so 6 plus 7 is 13. So this is the addition fact and we have to find out the subtraction fact here. So to write subtraction fact, what we write first? Yes students, tell me which number we will write first here. Unmute your mic and tell. Yes students.
Bigger number, sir.
Sir,
13.
the 13 was 13. Sir,
Sir, we will write the 7 first.
So student, we have to take the bigger number first to write subtraction facts. Okay, so the bigger number is 9 here. Oh sorry, 13. Okay, so we have to take the bigger number first. Then what we will subtract? 6. If we subtract 6 from 13, we will get this number 7. Okay, and if we subtract 7 from 13, we will get 6. Okay, so this is very simple. So now, so on page number 28, question number 1 is, here we have a box like this. Okay, first part I am telling you only, then we will do next worksheet. So here we have an addition fact. 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay, so we have to complete the subtraction fact. Okay, so the bigger number is for 11 here, so we will subtract 2 from 11 first, then we will subtract 9. So 11 minus 2, if we subtract this number 2, we will get the answer 9. Okay, if we subtract 9 from 11, we will get 2 answer. Okay, so this is very easy. I hope you all have understood this. Yes student, tell me, everyone understood this?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am understood.
Yes, sir.
I have sent this work on WhatsApp.
Okay, so students, let's move on worksheet 5, page number 29. Worksheet 5, page 29 of new engineering. Okay, so some story problems are there, story sums are there, so we have to solve these. Okay, some word problems are given here. So earlier I told you that we have some clue words, some terms by which we can understand that we need to perform subtraction. Okay, what are they? Let's see here. Give away. Okay, this I have already taught you in maths number line book. Okay, how to solve word problems. So some words by which we can understand that we have to perform subtraction in particular question. Okay, so like give away, less than, more than, left. Okay, remaining. So such type of words, if we find in any question, then we need to perform subtraction there. Okay, understood students? So now let's see question number 1. So question number 1 is, I'm just sharing you. Okay, so question number 1 is, there were 80 sheets in a notebook. Okay, how many sheets? 80 sheets are there in a notebook. So 54 sheets were used. Okay, 54 sheets were used from 80 sheets. So how many sheets were not used? So let's write the bigger number first here. We have 80 sheets here. Okay, first we will write 80. Okay, then how many sheets we have used? 54. Okay, out of 80, 54 sheets were used. So we will write 54 below 80. Okay, so how many sheets were not used? So to find out how many were not used, we need to perform subtraction here. Okay, so put the minus sign here, and we all know that we subtract smaller number from bigger number only. Okay, we can't subtract bigger from smaller. So always we put the bigger number on the top and the smaller number below that. Okay, so here at the ones place we have 0 and 4. We have to subtract 4 from 0. So we can't subtract 4 from 0 because 4 is greater than so 4 is greater than 0. So what we need to do here, we have to regroup it. Okay, so to regroup, what we will do, we will borrow we'll borrow 1 from the tens place. Okay, so 110, and here we have 0 1, so 110 and 0 1 will become 10, and here what left? 7. Okay, at ones place 0 over there was there, and 1 we have taken 110, we have taken from the tens place side, so it will become 10. Okay, 10 ones, and here 7 left. Now we can easily subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, now 7 minus 5 is 2. So 80 minus 54 is 26. It means 26 sheets were not used. Okay, so we will write here 26 sheets were not used. Okay, we will take out used one from the total sheets. So total sheets is 80. Okay, total sheets are 80. So used one is 54. So we will subtract used one from total sheets. Okay, then we will get the sheets which were not used. Okay, so in question number 2, yes, have you understood this question 1? Yes, student.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If anyone is having problem, you may ask. Okay, you can write in the chat box. So question number 2 is, so what you have to do in question 2, a plane has 96 seats. Okay, so in a plane total seats are 96. If there are 66 passengers on the plane, okay, so in a plane, 66 passengers are there. So they are sitting on 66 passengers will sit on 66 seats. Okay, so total seats are 96 here, and 66 on 66 seats passengers are sitting. So how many seats are empty? On how many seats passengers are not there? So we will subtract number of passengers from number of seats. Okay, so 96 seats are there in total. So on 66 seats people are sitting. Okay, so on how many seats people are not sitting? So we will subtract this. Okay, so 6 minus 6 is 0 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So on 30 seats people are not sitting. Okay, it means 30 seats are empty. Okay, how many seats are empty? So we will write 30 seats are empty. Okay, out of 96 seats, so passengers are sitting only on 66 seats. So how many seats are empty? So 96 minus 66, which is equals to 30. It means 30 seats are empty. I hope you all have understood this. So now do question 3, 4, 5 by yourself. Yes. So what do you have to find out? What do you have to find out here? How many fewer flags? Okay, fewer means less. How many less flags are there than Raghav? How many less flags did Shipra make than Raghav? Okay, so 53 minus 45. Very good. So yes, students, all of you done this worksheet? Tell me quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done that worksheet. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now students, let's move. Now come on page number 30, mental maths 3. Everyone open page number 30. Student, we have 14 minus 5 minus 4. Okay, so from 14 what we will subtract, which number, 5 or 4, to get 10? If we subtract 5 from 14 we will get 9, but what we need, 10. So if we subtract 4 from 14 then we will get 10. Okay, so I will write 4 with 14. Okay, then this minus 5 I will write at last. Why I am taking 4 first? Because 14 minus 4 is 10. We have to make 10 first. Okay, so 14 minus 4, 10, then minus 5, this one. So now 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Okay, so this is the required answer. 14 minus 5 minus 4 is equals to 5. Okay, so let's see B part also. Here we have 16, 7 and 6. Okay, so which number we have to subtract from 16 to get 10? 16 minus 7 is 9, but we need 10, so that's why we will subtract 6 from 16. So 6 I will take with 16, so 16 minus 6 will be 10. That's why I am taking 6 with 16, and this minus 7 I will write at last. So now 16 minus 6 is 10. Okay, this I need 10. Then I will subtract 7 from 10, so we will get 3. Okay, 10 minus 7 is 3, so the required answer is also equals to 3. So 16 minus 7 minus 6 is 3. Understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arham Naeem Khan, I am explaining again, so listen carefully. So first part I am doing again. Okay, so here we have 14, 5 and 4. We have to subtract these number. Okay, so how we will subtract it? To make it easy, we have to make 10. Okay, so which number we will subtract from 14 to make 10 first? If I subtract 5 from 14, so I will not get 10, I will get only 9. If I will subtract 4 from 14, so I will get 10. Okay, so what I need to make 10 first. Okay, so that's why I will take 4 first and then minus 5. Okay, I have rearranged these only. I have rearranged the numbers only. 4 I have taken first, then 5. Okay, so why I rearranged this? Because of getting 10. Okay, here if I subtract 4 from 14, so I will get 10. So from 10 we can subtract easily, so that's why I am making 10 here. Okay, otherwise it will difficult for you to subtract 14 minus 5, which is equals to 9, then 9 minus 4, which is equals to 5. Okay, so we have to make it easy. So first we will rearrange the numbers to get 10, so that's why I rearranged 4 and 5 here. Okay, so 4 I have taken first, then I have taken 5 in last. So 14 minus 4 is 10, then minus 5, so 10 minus 5 is 5. So 14 minus 5 minus 4 is equals to 5. Okay, listen second one also. So here we have 16, 7 and 6. So if I subtract 7 from 16, so I will get 9, but I need 10, so that's why I will rearrange both the numbers here. So 16 minus 6 I will take first, then minus 7. Okay, if I subtract 6 from 16, I will get 10, then minus sign, then 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, so 16 minus 7 minus 6 is equals to 3. Yes, Aram Naeem Khan. Arham Naeem Khan.